Hello guys, welcome to my channel guys. Today is my day. Today is my day because today I want to cook a very special for me but so easy guys. Okay guys, let's watch it. Before that, before I start to cook, we exercise first, okay? Okay. Okay guys, magluluto tayo ng gulay. Ang lulutuin natin ay pipino. So, babalatan ko muna to guys bago ko ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung ingredients nito guys, yung aking lulutuin, no. So, babalatan natin to tapos hihiwain, syempre. Okay. Magluluto tayo ng special na gulay. So, tapos, tatanggalan natin siya ng buto. So guys, ito na, malinis na siya guys, at saka nabalatan na siya. Atin nang hihiwain. Ganito lang yung guys, paghiwa. Okay. Very sharp. Ayan guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng sample ha. Paghiwa ng ginawa ko siyang ganito guys. Ayan. No, papakita ko sa inyo ang sample sa paghiwa ko. Ayan guys, yung aking sample sa paghiwa ng aking pipino. Ayan. So, ganito naman siya yung ginawa ko sa pagbabalat. Ayan. So guys, naka-ready na. Ready to prepare na siya guys, yung aking chicken. Ayan. Small size. Tapos, nandyan yung aking red bell pepper, onion, garlic, at saka mayroon salt, black pepper, ayan, soy sauce. Okay guys. So, maglalagay tayo ng added to taste yung... So guys, ito yung ating gagamitin na pampasarap, no? Ayun, sa halip na chicken cubes, ito na lang ating gagamitin. So guys, mag-start na tayo magluto ha. Okay, bawang muna. Ayan. Wow, ang bango naman. Next, ilagay na natin yung chicken. Kailangan papulahin muna natin yung chicken, guys. Ayan. Papulahin muna natin siya, guys, para lumabas yung katas niya. Ayan. Guys, medyo mapula na siya. Atin ang ilagay yung soy sauce. Ayan. Ilagay natin yung black pepper. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng salt. Okay. Ilagay na natin yung pipino. Ayun, guys, lagay na natin yung pipino. Look at that, so beautiful, guys. Let's put some little bit of water. First, we have to put some added to taste. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys, haluin na natin. Tikman na natin guys. Yummy. Tapos, tatakpan na natin. Diba? Hi guys, ito na yung niluto ko guys. Pipino chicken. Ayan. So, looks delicious guys. Ayan guys. Hi guys, ito na yung niluto ko guys. Ayan, looks delicious guys. Pero let's taste first, okay? Okay guys. Titikman na natin. Perfect. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like it guys. Nagustuhan yung aking content, yung video ko guys. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day.